Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today I want to presentation about my project based learning from the pre-intermediate grammar lecturer, and my name is Perdana Parlinto Aritona from class 332C07, my name number 332500107, institution English Literature Study Program, Faculty of Communication and Languages, Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika. So let's begin to part 1, theoretical foundation and linguistic framework from my opinion. So I have two topics. The topic 1 about relative clauses, definition and core functions. A. Conceptual definition. A relative clause is a specific type of subordinate dependent clause that modifies, describes, or limits a preceding noun or pronoun, structurally known as the antecedent. B. Linguistic function. It embeds extra description directly into a sentence, allowing speakers to connect multiple ideas smoothly into one complex structure without repetitive phrasing. C. Primary categories. Defining, restrictive, provides narrow, essential information that is structurally required to identify which specific noun is being referred to. Non-defining, non-restrictive, supplies optional supplementary information about an already identified noun and must be enclosed within commas. Next to structural and grammatical patterns. A. Subject relative pronoun, who, which, that. Used when the pronoun replaces the subject inside the dependent clause. Formula: antecedent noun plus relative pronoun plus verb plus object. B. Object relative pronouns, whom, which, that. Applied when the pronoun replaces the target object of the embedded action. Formula: antecedent noun plus relative pronoun plus subject plus verb. C. Possessive relative pronoun, whose, indicates a direct relationship of ownership or association between the antecedent and a following noun. Formula: antecedent noun plus whose plus possessive noun plus clause. Next to original examples and grammatical analysis. Part A. Sentence 1. Defining clause, human subject. The student who scored the highest mark in the grammar exam received a scholarship. Grammatical analysis. The pronoun who serves as the structural subject of this relative clause. It refers to a human antecedent, the student. The clause is defining because it clarifies exactly which student earned the reward. B. Sentence 2. Defining clause, non-human object. The textbook which the lecturer recommended yesterday is available in the campus library. Grammatical analysis. The pronoun which operates as the direct object of the verb recommended while the lecturer acts as the subject. It modifies a non-human entity, the textbook. Next, the original examples and grammatical analysis part B. A. Sentence 3. Non-defining clause, possessive case. Professor Smith, whose research on syntax was published last month, will give a lecture tomorrow. Grammatical analysis. The pronoun whose establishes a possessive link between a Professor Smith and his research. Because the professor identity is already specific, the clause is non-defining and requires commas. B. Sentence 4. Defining clause, locative relation. This is the classroom where we practice our English presentation skills every week. Grammatical analysis. The relative adverb where modifies the spatial antecedent, the classroom. It replaces a professional phrase in the classroom to show the physical location of the action. Next to authentic media extractions, A. Media sample 1, subject pronoun focus. She also said General Aberin Bokar, who is the Malaysian ambassador to Indonesia, had met with Indonesian senior officials. Article title: Environment Ministers says no transboundary has to Malaysia fires on decline. Publisher, The Jakarta Post, publication date October 6, 2023, URL www.thejakartapost.com, Indonesia, 2023, 10/6. Environment Minister says non-transboundary has to Malaysia fires on decline. B. Media example 2, object pronoun focus. The area which is home to 30 million people is often covered in smoke during winter. Article title: India tightens pollution curbs as Delhi's air quality worsens. Publisher, Reuters, published via the Jakarta Post portal. Publication date December 14, 2025, URL www.thejakartapost.com, World 2025, 12/14, India tightens pollution curbs as Delhi's air quality worsens. Next to linguistics explanation of media extracts, A. Analysis of extracts 1. The news writer uses a non-defining relative clause with who to immediately answer the official title of the individual antecedent. This structure establishes the speaker's political authority right inside the sentence. B. Analysis of extract 2. The text implements a non-defining relative clause initiated by which and separated by punctuation marks. The core message is simply that the area is covered in winter smoke. The population data is a descriptive insertion that does not alter the main clause. Next to empirical corpus data and stylistic divisions, A. Written academic prose versus speech. According to linguistic research in the Longman Grammar of Spoken and Written English, LGSWE, formal writing heavily favors which for non-defining clauses, whereas spoken English strongly prefers that for defining clauses due to quick processing speech. B. The demise of whom data from the corpus of contemporary American English COCA shows that the objective pronoun whom has declined by over 80% in everyday conversation, being replaced by who or a zero-relative pronoun omission. Next to the structural omission and institutional standards, A. Linguistic omission. In informal speech, object-relative pronouns are frequently dropped, e.g. the data that we collected. This structural shortening is a natural cognitive behavior to save vocal efforts. B. Academic enforcement. Despite spoken trends, formal academic grading system and professional research publications frequently mention the use of whom after explicit preposition, e.g. the lecturer to whom we submitted our assignment. University students must balance these different standards depending on their audience. Next to the topic 2, degree of comparison, definition and classification. A. Grammatical definition. Degrees of comparison refer to the inflectional or analytical modification applied to descriptive adjectives or adverbs to show the scale of a specific quality relative to other entities. B. Core function. The system allows speaker to express physical properties, values, or measurements by establishing ratios of acuity, imbalance, or obsolete peak performance. C. The three distinct levels. 1. Positive states an isolated quality of a noun or expresses an equal relationship using the correlative template as blah as. 2. Comparative contrasts a specific quality between two distinct nouns or groups. 3. Superlative highlights the ultimate peak or lowest limit of a quality among three or more competing entities. Next to grammatical and structural formulas. A. Positive degree proportional equality. Formula: subject plus verb plus as plus base adjective plus as plus noun pronoun. B. Comparative degree syllable dependent rules. Short, one syllable adjective, subject plus verb plus adjective or plus then plus noun. Long, two syllables adjective, subject plus verb plus more plus adjective plus then plus noun. Superlative degree, syllable dependent rules. Short, one syllable adjective, subject plus verb plus the plus adjective is plus context noun. Long, two syllables adjective, subject plus verb plus the most plus adjective plus context noun. Next to original examples and grammatical analysis part A. Sentence 1, positive degree structural equality. Learning English syntax is as challenging as learning morphology. Grammatical analysis, the parallel frame as challenging as demonstrates that both linguistic subfields share an identical level of difficulty. The best adjective remains unchanged. B. Sentence 2, comparative degree monosyllabic suffix. The old library building on our campus is smaller than the newly built auditorium. Grammatical analysis, the single syllable base word small expands morphologically by taking the inflectional suffix "er". It is properly paired with the comparison marker than to rank to physical areas. Next to part B. Sentence 3, comparative degree polysyllabic modifier. Writing an academic essay requires a more structured approach than writing a casual blog post. Grammatical analysis, because structured contains multiple syllables, it cannot take a suffix. It requires the analytic modifier more followed by than compared to writing styles. B. Sentence 4, superlative degree, irregular transformation. Of all the presentations given during this semester, Jennifer's analysis was the best. Grammatical analysis, the best word good undergoes a total irregular change into its superlative shape. The best is establishes absolute supremacy across a group of items. Next to authentic media extractions. A. Media example 1, irregular comparative focus. India tightened anti-pollution measures in Delhi and adjoining areas after the capital's air quality deteriorated to the recession 4 worst. Article title, India tightens pollution curbs as Delhi's air quality worsens. Publisher, Reuters, published via the Jakarta Post portal, publication date on December 14, 2025, URL on www.thejakartapost.com, World 2025, 12-14, India tightens pollution curve as Delhi's air quality worsens. B. Media example 2, inflectional superlative focus. The Commission for Air Quality Management invoked Stake 4, the highest level of the Graded Response Action Plan. Article title, India tightens pollution curve as Delhi's air quality worsens. Publisher, Reuters, published via the Jakarta Post portal. Publication date on December 14, 2025. URL on www.thejakartapost.com/world 2025 12-14, India tightens pollution curve as Delhi's air quality worsens. Next to linguistic explanation of media extracts. A. Analysis of extracts 1. The news reader uses the irregular form words derived from the base adjective bad. This choice contrasts the current pollution levels against all previous timeline measurements of the season without using the standard suffix. B. Analysis of extract 2. The reporter uses a short superlative layout, the height plus I is, as an appositive modifier for stage 4. Since height is monosyllabic, using the inflectional suffix is the standard way to show the ultimate ceiling of this restriction framework. Next, corpus trends in adjective morphology. A. Synthetic versus analytic choices. Data drawn from the British National Corpus (BNC) indicated that for two-syllable adjectives ending in the letter Y, e.g. heavy, easy, inflectional synthetic shapes heavier, easiest, are used in 92% of print media rather than analytical versions, more heavy, most hazy. B. Token frequency density corpus ranking proves that irregular descriptors like good, better, best, and bad, worse, worst hold the highest frequency density across all English speech registers due to their historic conversational efficiency. Next to dialectal variations, pursue academic demarcation. A. Colloquial redundancy. Modern sociolinguistic studies show an increasing trend in spoken dialect toward using double comparative, e.g., more cleaner, more better. This represents a speech habit where speakers use choose markers to add emotional emphasis. B. Academic regulation in formal academic environments, double comparatives are classified as critical grammar violation and are heavily penalized. They break the synthetic rules of standard English. Mastering these formal boundaries is a key marker of professional language competency. Okay, everyone. So next to part 2, error analysis presentation project. There are 3 errors. The question 1 about relative clauses. A. Original paragraph. So the red word is the original error. The student which won the competition is my friend. She met a professor whose book was published last year. The library where it's were renovated recently is very modern. I have a classmate who studies linguistics every day. The laptop who I bought yesterday is already broken. The lecturer that she teaches in Thai is very popular among students. The building which we discussed about yesterday will be demolished. Soon, the researcher whom article received an award works at the famous university. This is the campus that where I studied for 4 years. The scholarship which it was offered by the government attracted many applicants. So number 1, original error from the original paragraph. The student which, incorrect form which, grammatical violation, misuse of relative pronoun or human antecedents. Grammatical rule: the relative pronoun which is used exclusively for non-human antecedents, object or animals. For human antecedent acting as the subject of the class, the student, the relative pronoun who or that must be used. The correct form who or that. Reason for correction: who correctly links the relative clause to the human subject. Number 2, original error: a professor whose book was published. Incorrect form: who she. Grammatical violation: incorrect possessive relative structure. Grammatical rule: to indicate possession, the professor's books. The possessive relative pronoun whose must replace both the relative pronoun and the personal pronoun. So the correct form whose. Reason for correction: whose correctly expresses ownership over the noun book. Next to number 3, original error: the library where it was renovated. Incorrect form: where it. Grammatical violation: incorrect relative adverb use and pronoun redundancy. Grammatical rule: since the relative clause requires a subject to perform the action, was renovated, the relative pronoun which or the should be used instead of the relative adverb where. Additionally, the pronoun it must be omitted because its function is already fulfilled by the relative pronoun. Correct form: which or that without it. Reason for correction: which act directly as the subject of the passive verb phrase was renovated. Number 4, original error: a classmate whose he studies. Incorrect form: whose he. Grammatical violation: redundant. Subject pronoun: grammatical rule: when a relative pronoun serves as the subject of the class, adding an extra personal pronoun, he creates grammatical redundancy. The subjective relative pronoun who should replace the entire phrase. Correct form who studies. Reason for correction who serve as the single proper subject executing the verb studies. Number 5, original error, the laptop who I bought. Incorrect form who, grammatical violation, misuse of relative pronoun for inanimate objects. Grammatical rule, the pronoun who is restricted the humans for inanimate object like the laptop. The proper adjective relative pronoun is which or that. Correct form which or that. Reason for correction which properly modifies the non-human object being bought. Next to number 6, original error, the lecturer that she teaches. Incorrect form that she, grammatical violation, double subject pronouns redundancy. Grammatical rule, the relative pronoun that or who already represents the subject, the lecturer. Introducing she immediately after creates an grammatical double subject. Correct form that teaches or who teaches. Reason for correction, removing she restores the proper single subject structure of the relative clause. Number 7, original error, the building which we discussed about yesterday. Incorrect form which we discussed about. Grammatical violation superfluous preposition use. Grammatical rule, the verb discussed is a transitive verb that directly takes an object without requiring the preposition about. Discussing something, not discuss about something. Correct form which we discussed. Reason for correction, eliminating about complies with the lexical rules of transitive verb in relative clauses. Number 8, original error, the researcher whom article received. Incorrect form whom, grammatical violation, misuse of objective case instead of possessive case. Grammatical rule, the pronoun whom function as an object because the clause describes an article belonging to the researcher. The researcher's article, the possessive relative pronoun whose must be used. Correct form whose. Reason for correction, whose accurately modifies the non-article to signal possession. Next to number 9, original error, the campus that where I studied. Incorrect form that where, grammatical violation, double relative elements. Grammatical rule, to specify a location where an action occurred, the relative adverb where is sufficient, combining it with the relative pronoun that is grammatically redundant. Correct form where. Reason for correction, removing the leave first, whereas the singular correct locative modifier. Number 10, original error, the scholarship which it was offered. Incorrect form which it, grammatical violation, redundant passive subject. Grammatical rule, the relative pronoun which already stands as the passive subject representing the scholarship, the insertion of it creates an ungrammatical repetition. Correct form which was offered, that was offered. Reason for correction, removing it eliminates the redundant subject pronoun. B, the corrected paragraph, the student who won the competition is my friend. She met a professor whose book was published last year. The library, which was renovated recently, is very modern. I have a classmate who studies linguistics every day. The laptop which I bought yesterday is already broken. The lecturer who teaches syntax is very popular among students. The building which we discussed yesterday will be demolished soon. The researcher who article received an award works at the famous university. This is the campus where I studied for 4 years. The scholarship which was offered by the government attracted many applicants. Next, question 2, degree of comparison. A, original paragraph. My university is more larger than the university is my hometown. Among all students in my class, Sarah is the most smartest student. The semester is more easier than the previous one. The library is the quickest than the cafeteria. English is interestinger than mathematics for many students. My laptop is expensiver than my friend's laptop. Of the three presentations, John's presentation was more best. The new classroom is the more comfortable room in the building. Traveling by train is more cheap than traveling by plane. Today's weather is better than yesterday's weather. So that is the original paragraph is bad, is error. And the number one original error, more large than, incorrect form, more large, grammatical violation, incorrect comparative formation for the short adjective. Grammatical rule, one syllable adjectives like large form their comparative degree by adding the suffix "er", not by using the adverb more. Correct form, larger, reason for correction, adherence to the one syllable rule, adjective plus "er". Number two, original error, the most smartest, incorrect form, the most smartest. Grammatical violation, double superlative. Grammatical rule, the one syllable adjective smart becomes superlative by adding the suffix is, smartest. Adding most creates an ungrammatical double marking. Correct form, the smartest. Reason for correction, eliminating most follows the proper formula the plus adjective plus is. Number three, original error, more easier than, incorrect form, more easier. Grammatical violation, double comparative. Grammatical rule, the two-syllable adjective easy ending in y changes to easier in the comparative form. It is grammatically incorrect to place more before an adjective that already features the er suffix. Correct form, easier. Reason for correction, eliminating more clears the double comparative error. Number four, original error, the quickest than, incorrect form, the quickest than. Grammatical violation, misuse of superlative instead of comparative structures. Grammatical rule, the conjunction that explicitly indicates a comparison between two entities, the library and the cafeteria. Therefore, the comparative form must be used instead of the superlative the quickest. Correct form, quicker than. Reason for correction, changing the superlative to a comparative matches the structural demand of than. Number five, original error, interestinger than, incorrect form is interestinger. Grammatical violation, incorrect comparative formation for a long adjective. Grammatical rule, multisyllable adjectives like interesting for syllable from their comparative degree by placing the word more before the adjective instead of using an er suffix. Correct form, more interesting. Reason for correction follows the long adjective patterns more plus adjective. Number six, original error, expensiver than, incorrect form, expensiver. Grammatical violation, incorrect comparative formation for a long adjective. Grammatical rule, the word expensive consists of three syllables. Expensive, long adjectives must use the pre-modifier more to indicate a comparative degree. Correct form, more expensive. Reason for correction, correct the regular suffixation error on the multi-syllable word. Number seven, original error was more best. Incorrect form, more best. Grammatical violation, double superlative and misuse of an irregular modifier. Grammatical rule, the adjective good as irregular comparative superlative forms good, better, best because the sentence compares the three items of the three presentation. The absolute superlative the best must be used without more. Correct form, the best. Reason for the correction, the best is the mathematically and grammatically sound irregular superlative form. Number eight, original error, the more comfortable room. Incorrect form, the more comfortable. Grammatical violation, misuse of comparative instead of superlative in an obsolete context. Grammatical rule, the sentence refers to one room out of all rooms in the entire building, requiring a superlative degree. The long adjective comfortable requires the modifier most preceded by the definite article D. Correct form, the most comfortable. Reason for correction, replaces more with most to create the required superlative phrase. Number 9, original error, most cheap than, incorrect form, much cheap than, grammatical violation, superlative modifier used in a comparative context, grammatical rule, since the sentence compares two distinct modes of travel, train versus plane, the comparative form is required, because cheap is a single syllable adjective, its comparative form is cheaper. Corrective form, cheaper than, reason for correction, adjust the phrase to its proper comparative structure. Number 10, the last original error, better than, incorrect form, better, grammatical violation, incorrect formulation of a irregular comparative adjective, grammatical rule, the adjective but does not follow regular rules, its comparative form is completely irregular and is written as worse. Correct form, worse. Reason for correction, implements the correctly irregular form for the comparative degree of bad. B, corrected paragraph. So this is the corrected paragraph. My university is larger than the university in my hometown. Among all students in my class, Sarah is the smartest student. This semester is easier than the previous one. The library is quieter than the cafeteria. English is more interesting than mathematics for many students. My laptop is more expensive than my friend's laptop. Of the three presentations, John's presentation was the best. The new classroom is the most comfortable room in the building. Traveling by train is cheaper than traveling by plane. Today's weather is worse than yesterday's weather. Next, question 3, correlative conjunctions. A, original paragraph, both the lecturer or the student were interested in the seminar. Either the manager and the staff members are responsible for the project. Neither the teacher or the student was prepared for the presentation. Not only does the library provide digital resources and also offers study spaces, the researcher is interested both in collecting data and to analyze the results. Whether the meeting will be online or offline has not been decided yet. No sooner had the lecture started when several students arrived late. Scarcely had I finished my excitement than the lecturer announced a new task. Such was the difficulty of the exam that so many students failed it. Rather the professor than also the assistant conducted the workshop. So the number 1, the original error, both the lecturer or the student, incorrect form, both, blah, or, grammatical violation, faulty pairing of correlative conjunction, grammatical rule, the correlative conjunction both must always be paired with and to connect two grammatically equal elements. Correct form, both, and. Reason for correction, both, and correctly creates a coordinating pair for the compound subject. Number 2, original error, either the manager and the staff, incorrect form, either and. Grammatical violation, faulty pairing of correlative conjunction. Grammatical rule, the correlative conjunction either must be paired with or to present a choice between two alternatives. Correct form, either or. Reason for correction, replace and with or to complete the proper correlative structure. Next, number 3, original error, neither the teacher or the student was, incorrect form, neither or was. Grammatical violation, faulty conjunction, pairing and subject verb agreement error. Grammatical rule, neither must be paired with nor. Furthermore, according to the proximity rule for correlative conjunction, and subject are joined by neither nor, the verb must agree with the closer subject, the student, which is plural. Therefore, the verb must be plural, where. Correct form, neither nor where. Reason for correction, corrects the conjunction pair to nor and shifts the singular verb was to the plural verb were. Number 4, original error, not only does the library provide digital resources and also offers, incorrect form, and also offers. Grammatical violation, incomplete, the faulty pairing for an inverted correlative clause. Grammatical rule, the correlative conjunction not only must be paired with but also, since the sentence opens with an inversion, thus the library provides the second clause needs, but it also offers to maintain parallel structure and proper coordination. Correct form, but it also offers. Reason for correction, completes the not only but also formula while providing the necessary subject pronoun it for the second independent clause. Number 5. Original error both in collecting data and to analyze the result. Incorrect form, in collecting and to analyze. Grammatical violation, faulty parallelism. Grammatical rule, element joined by correlative conjunction must share the exact same grammatical form since both is followed by prepositional gerund phrase. In collecting data, the phrase after that must match that structural pattern. Correct form, but in collecting data and in analyzing the result. Reason for correction, restores parallel structure by balancing two gerund phrase in plus verb ing. Next to number 6, original error, whether the meeting will be online and offline. Incorrect form, whether and. Grammatical violation, faulty pairing of correlative elements. Grammatical rule, the conjunction whether introduces alternatives and must be paired with or not and. Correct form, whether or. Reason for correction, replacing and with or satisfies the structural demand of whether. Number 7, original error, no sooner had the lecturer started when. Incorrect form, no sooner when. Grammatical violation, incorrect adverbial correlative pairing. Grammatical rule, the comparative adverbial expression no sooner requires the comparative particle than to introduce the subsequent clause, not the time adverb when. Correct form, no sooner than. Reason for correction, replaces when with than to establish the correct temporal comparative structure. Number 8, original errors. Scarcely had I finished my assignment then. Incorrect form, scarcely then. Grammatical violation, incorrect adverbial correlative pairing. Grammatical rule, negative adverbials like scarcely, hardly, and barely must be paired with when or before to introduce the next even, not then. Correct form, scarcely, when. Reason for correction, correct the pairing to fulfill the standard idiomatic inverted time structure. Next to number 9, original error sub was the difficulty of the exam that so many students failed it. Incorrect form, that so many. Grammatical violation, redundant, modifier syntax within a result clause. Grammatical rule, the construction sub that already expresses cause and effect degree, adding the intensive modifier so right after that is structurally redundant. Correct form, that many students failed it. Reason for correction, removing so eliminates the grammatical redundancy. Number 10, original error, rather the professor than also the assistant. Incorrect form, rather than also. Grammatical violation, faulty correlative preference structure. Grammatical rule, to express preference or a choice between two agents, the correct correlative construction is rather than without adding also. Correct form, rather than the professor, the assistant conducted. Reason for correction, rearranges the syntax into a clean standard comparative preference structure. So, B corrective paragraph, both the lecturer and the students were interested in the seminar. Either the manager or the staff members are responsible for the project. Neither the teacher nor the students were prepared for the presentation. Not only does the library provide digital resources, but it also offers study spaces. The researcher is interested both in collecting data and in analyzing the results. Whether the meeting will be online or offline has not been decided yet. No sooner had the lecture started than several students arrived late. Scarcely had I finished my assignment when the lecturer announced a new task. Such was the difficulty of the exam that many students felt it rather than the professor. The assistant conducted the workshop. Okay everyone, I think enough for today my presentation to my project-based learning. Thank you for your attention. I have learned from this project, so God bless you.